Hi, my name is Claire Rich, and for this class I'm going to be doing the experiment 41, the power of yeast out of chapter 7. And you'll notice down here at the table I've got all the supplies that we need. We need a balloon that's already been blown up, a water bottle 16 to 20 ounces, a measuring cup, dry yeast, and sugar. So what we'll do first is we'll go ahead and measure out the yeast, which takes one package are equivalent to 2 tablespoons and a fourth. And we're going to be doing the dry mixture first. Always make sure that you put the lids back on all your stuff for this experiment. The sugar is just 2 tablespoons, and it's just regular white sugar. And the yeast is just regular baking yeast. Okay, so I'm going to mix it with a fork, get it all mixed up. I'm then going to measure 1 cup of warm, very warm water, not hot, into the mixture. I'm then going to stir it till the yeast and the sugar dissolves. I'm then going to go ahead and pour it into the 16 to 20 ounce water bottle that is clean. All of the mixture goes in. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the balloon I've already inflated a couple of times over the mouth of the water bottle. And then I'm going to be observing for the experiment for the next 30 minutes, and we will document what happens in the next 30 minutes to the bottle with the balloon on it and the yeast. This is what has happened after 4 minutes of observing the dry yeast mix with the sugar and the warm water. And the balloon, as you can see, it was flat. Now it's blown up a little bit. So we'll continue to monitor it for the next 25 minutes. As you can see, after 10 minutes, it is coming towards the top, and the balloon is developing into a regular balloon. And we will continue to monitor it for the next 10 minutes. You'll notice as the liquid got towards the top of the bottle, the balloon started moving towards the side. Okay, I noticed after about 25 minutes, the bottle got completely up there and the balloon started filling up. You'll notice down here towards the bottom that there's some of the yeast and sugar and warm water mixture. So we've got about 5 more minutes until the experiment is done. So we can monitor. It looks like the balloon is inflating itself with the liquid. Okay, it has now been 30 minutes. We have monitored it step by step. The balloon has now got more than 3/4 of the liquid in it, and the bottle slowly going into the balloon. It looked like the experiment, as the yeast and the sugar dissolved together and worked together and activated, the warm water activated both, and it filled up this balloon and had most of the liquid put inside the balloon. So the experiment is over. That's the yeast, experiment 41.